Placing an image in existing document. In Photoshop, you can combine multiple pictures into a new image. Sometimes, we need to work with many images in one file. At times, people simply copy and paste different images into one file to work with. But it is not recommended, as copying images tend to reduce the quality of the image. So, it is best to first save the image in your computer and then import it into Photoshop. Follow the given steps to insert an image in an existing file. Step 1. Select the File Place Embedded option from the menu bar. The Place Embedded dialog box opens. Step 2. Navigate to the location of the image file. Step 3. Select the image that you want to embed. Step 4. Click on the Place button. Step 5. Click and drag the corners of the image border to resize the image proportionally. Step 6. Click and drag inside the border to position the added image where you want to place it. Step 7. Click the Commit Transform button in the Options bar to finalize the placement, or click on the Done button in the Contextual Task bar. This automatically creates a new layer containing the added image.